Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be taking my two favorite desserts, pumpkin pie and cheesecake, and putting them together. This is a quick video on how I make my easy pumpkin cheesecake pie. These are the ingredients that I'll be using. We're starting off with some cream cheese, sugar, vanilla extract, some eggs, evaporated milk, spices. I'll be using a pre-made graham cracker crust just to make everything much more easier. Now for the pumpkin puree, I'm using pumpkin pie filling. So this already has spices and sugar in it. If you're using 100% pumpkin puree, you'll have to add in your own sugar and spices as well. The spices I'm using are just to give it a little kick. I'm going to start by preheating my oven to 425 degrees. Adding in my cream cheese, and I'm just going to blend this up until it gets nice and creamy. And then I'll be adding in 1 egg, and we'll give this another blend. And then I'll be adding in the vanilla extract and sugar. And then I'll keep whipping this up until it's nice and smooth. Once the cheesecake filling is done, I'll set this aside. Now for the pumpkin filling, I'll add in the entire can of pumpkin pie filling into a bowl. And then I'll add in 2 lightly beaten eggs and give this a good mix. Then I'll be adding in my spices. And my evaporated milk. And I'm just going to mix this all up until it's nice and smooth. Now I'll take my pie crust and add in the cream cheese filling first. And I'm just going to smooth the top to get it nice and level. And then I'll gently add the pumpkin pie filling on top. And I'm going to smooth this out as well. Now I'm going to place this in the oven for 15 minutes on 425 degrees. And then I will reduce the heat to 350 degrees and leave the pie in there for about 50 to 60 minutes. Once the pie is done, we're going to let this cool for about an hour. And then I'll let it chill in the fridge for another hour. And that's it. It's all done. Easy pumpkin cheesecake pie. We can just top this off with some whipped cream and cinnamon, and it is a tasty dessert. Thanks for tuning in. And if you like today's recipe, please make sure to give this video a like, leave a comment on how you make your pumpkin pies, and make sure to subscribe to my channel so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mama's Easy Kitchen.